on customize. Now, when we click on customize, you see this thing. It means that you can edit every section of the page. So let's start with the picture. This picture is what we want to change now. So I will start like my own. I will start by site identity. I'll start by making this correction. Site identity gives me the name of the church. So I'll change it now to this. So by changing this picture, so I'll click here. Can we click here? Add a new image. Add a new image. It says select and crop. The system is saying, well, you want to crop, it's a bit too big, so you can crop out some areas. So you can move it around to cover your text. The other areas will be removed. So you can say crop these ones out, or you can also say skip cropping. So I'll say crop, I can say crop that section out. When you say crop, it will cut those areas out to give us what we want. Then that image will automatically appear here. So the next thing we are supposed to do now will be to create post. But before we do post, let us create categories. So when you click on post, the first thing you see is hello world. So click on categories and click on give a name. So what is the first category of what you want appeared on your site? So you say testimony. Just type testimony. You can leave every other thing the way it is. Then just click on add new category. So testimony automatically appears here. What is the second one? You can say preaching. Then add. Go to post. So we click on post. Then we click on add new post. So this is where we are. Are you there? I click on add new post. The first thing is what category of post. So for example, somebody can say healing of a blind man, for instance. Then this category will be testimony. Then you now come here and say, so that's the first category. You now say publish. So I've done these two. The categories are testimony. So you now click on new, and under new, what does the Bible say about creation? So this will come under preaching, book of that. Then you go to click outside. You have to click outside to be able to see it. When you type click outside, then you now say preaching, then you now say publish. So I now have a total of 4 posts. Then I can trash the hello world, the default hello world. The default hello world can be trashed. So I now have 2 posts for testimony. Oh, sorry. Okay, I noticed 3 posts for testimony, so I can always change this to, let's go and change it back to preaching. I wanted 2 for testimony, 2 for preaching. So I'll just go back to this is it. Then I'll now say no, this is supposed to be for preaching, not testimony. So it can even be for preaching and testimony at the same time. You can click the 2. The system allows you to click the 2 for it. So you can just upgrade this And so when you now go back to post, then you will now see the four of them. So now this is what happens. Immediately you go back and say view your site, the very first site that opens will have all your posts listed. Have you seen them? They will have all their posts listed, and people can click to them to make comment. For example, what does the Bible say about purity? Someone will click, oh, I want to read this. So when he reads the whole text, then he will now add comments. Email address will not be published. So let's write a comment. So I can say, I really like what you have pasted. Thank you for helping me and thousands of people and thousands of people around the world. Full stop. So that's the comment I've made. Then here, I've already been told here that my email and our contact will not be published. So what's my name? So I'll just type my name. I'm the one that's making this comment. What's my email? So I'll just type my email. Do I have a website? It's not mandatory. It's only the ones that are asterisks. So you wait. Now the second person has been added. So now you've gone to work. You are the owner of the site. People are making comments. So it is a duty, wherever you are, even from your phone, it is a duty to look at your website to know the comment people are making. So you can log in by typing localhost/wp/wp login. WP, or just say wp-admin, for instance. The system will flip you to the right place. Then you now type admin. The comment does not appear automatically. You have to approve it. So when you are at the back end, the system tells you, look, you have 2 comments. So you now click on it. So when you now click on it, you now come and say, first of all, James Brown with this email said, I want you to expatiate on what it takes to be a winner in your next article. You can say, okay, this is nice, approve. It will now appear. Now you now read this one. I really like what you posted. Thank you for helping, and helping me and thousands of people around the world. Do you like this? If you don't approve it, you say trash, or spam, or say approve, for instance. You say, so you approve it, and next time when you view the site, this is what will happen. When you go and view that site, this is what will happen to that article. Those two comments will automatically appear, as you can see. So you can even click here and reply them. So thank you. So it becomes a discussion environment. Now, home is pointing to a sample page because I tied this sample page to home. You understand? Now, about us has its own page, about us. Location. So what opens the block is, this is what opens the block. The block is open when we say localhost/wp/index.php. If you type this and press enter, this automatically opens to the block which we are seeing here. You understand? So I can now go and create another page which I'll call block and tie it to that address.